Domain and range, increasing and decreasing. We have this is a linear function, 3 minus 2x. And you see this is the line that represents this function, 3 minus 2x. It's clear that the slope is negative. It's going down, negative, clear. And also it's decreasing, the value decreasing, 10, 8, 9, and continue. If you plug in numbers here, starting from -4, then -3, then -2, then -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, you will see that the values of y decreasing. So this function decreasing. But this function is the opposite, which is increasing. So x minus 1. The slope is positive, so the function increasing. Now we are going to look at the domain of the function. So if we have a point on our curve, and this point, if you want to find the domain, it's all x values here. So this point, assume that it's coming from infinity there. So if you look at our x-axis, you will see that if it's infinity, must be infinity. If this is million, must be a million. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. Go down with the line. And then look at x-axis. You will see this projection here. 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. Go down. -3. You see -3. Go down. -2. Go down. -1. Then look at x, you will find 0, then 1, then here's the intersect together, okay? And then this is a 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, continue, go down, 5, 10, 100, you will see 100 over here, thousands, 1,000 here, million, you see million, infinity. So what I have to say that the domain, it covers all numbers from -infinity to, you see this point, this projection, this point, this projection here, this projection. This is our point on the line here. It has vertical projection, 10, -10, down, but you see here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and continue. You will see that the whole x-axis covered. The whole x-axis covered like this. It's from -infinity to +infinity. That's our domain. The same with the other function. The same with this function over here. If you move along our line to x minus 1, you will see -1, -2, 0. You see 1, 2, 3, and continue. Our domain will be covering by all x-axis here. So the domain here, simply domain is from -infinity to +infinity. Open interval, because you don't know what is infinity. And here is the same, from -infinity to +infinity. Sometimes you define it as the following here. X is between -infinity to +infinity. It's the same. Going down to see another function, which is quadratic function. Let's grab our 2 points here. Okay, quadratic function. This is our quadratic function. Quadratic function, we have two types. One is negative x squared plus 4, negative. If you see that coefficient of x squared is negative, this function will be flipped like this. This parabola will be flipped. But if it has positive value, it will be up like this, opened up. So this is opened down and this is opened up. And if you track the domain and range, so assume that we're moving along this curve in here, moving along this curve. And this curve is coming from, you see, negative infinity. And then you're going to look at projection here. You will see, so if this is like that, negative infinity, you will see the projection negative infinity. Move, million, assume. Imagine that. And go inside more. You will see the projection here. More. And here, you will see negative 1, 2, 3, negative 3. More projection. Here is intersection. They intersect together. And here. And then you see negative 1. Projection. 0. Just look at x value here. 1, 2, intersection. 3, 4, and continue. Continue. You see, this is our domain, the green point. The conclusion that our domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. From negative infinity to positive infinity. And here is the same, from negative infinity to positive infinity.